Good morning to all my dear students. I am Neelam Miss from Mehdi English School, your social science teacher, and today we are going to continue with our chapter number 10, Indian Agriculture. Before starting our lesson, I welcome you all with a good thought. Amazing things happen when you try. Once again, amazing things happen when you try. So keep trying. In last lecture, we have completed about oilseeds, mustard, we have completed about coconut, we have completed about castor oil, we have completed hot beverages, it means tea, coffee and cocoa. And today we are going to learn about cash crop. Almost we have completed cotton cash crop, but then also we will revise it once again and then we will move towards next topic. This is the picture of cotton crop. It means this is the picture of cotton cash crop. This is the seed of cotton crops and this is the oil made from cotton crops. Cotton is a kharif crop. Cotton holds an important place in cash crop in Gujarat. In India, it means Gujarat came first in the production of cotton. At a world level, India stands second in the production of cotton crops and we are also at the second place in the export of cotton. Cotton without seed, the cotton which grows without seed is known as white gold in India. Then we have completed a detailed notes on cotton. Beside cotton seeds oil, it is used to prepare edible oil also. It means cotton seeds oil is used to prepare for cooking purpose also. It is used as an animal fodder also. Black lava soil can retain humidity for a longer time. So, this soil is required to grow cotton. It required minerals contained soil and it required hot and humid climate. It required temperature between 20 to 35 degree of Celsius temperature is required and 30 to 70 centimeter of rainfall is favorable for the cotton cultivation. We can grow cotton for 6 to 8 months. The first damage the cotton crops. Now we will learn this topic in details because in last lecture we have stopped from here. So we will start once again from here. First damage the cotton crops. It means a dew drops in the early morning in winter season can damage the cotton crops. In India, the cotton producing states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Tamil Nadu and Orissa. These all are the major state producing cotton crops and Gujarat leads first in the production of cotton. As the farmer of Gujarat have accepted Bacillus thuringiensis, it means that Bt cotton crops. What is mean by, now the question is coming in your mind, what is mean by Bt cotton crops? Bt cotton crops, it means it is genetically modified cotton crops. It means that the seed is modified genetically. The researchers, the scientists, they modified the seeds and the seeds which is made by the researcher, that seed is known as Bt cotton seed and it is the meaning of Bt cotton seed, it means it is genetically modified cotton crop and it means cotton seed. Gujarat stand first in India as area sown and a productivity, total production and quality of cotton. It means Gujarat stand first in the irrigation of cotton. It give good production of cotton also and Gujarat is giving a good quality of cotton. So in all these factors, Gujarat stand first in the form of quality, in the form of production, and in the form of total sown area. It means a area where the cotton crops is grown. The Gujarat stand first. Cotton is grown more in Surendranagar, Rajkot, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Banaskantha, Mehsana, Botad, Bharuch, Kheda, Surat, Panchmahal, Amreli, Bhavnagar, Patan, Gujarat and Jamnagar districts of Gujarat. It means that in almost district of Gujarat, cotton crops is grown. Now we are going to learn about second cash crop. It means sugarcane crop. This is the image of sugarcane crop image. You can see that how the sugarcane has been grown in the farming. Sugarcane is also known as cash crop. It means sugarcane is having high demand in market because sugar is made up of from sugarcane. So sugar is having a demand in the market and we will get a good return of money. So it is known as cash crop. Sugarcane is also called a cash crop. This is the image of sugarcane farming. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is a major crop in India. Maximum sugarcane is sown in India in the world. It means maximum number of sugarcane is grown in India. Out of the whole world, India is only a country where maximum sugarcane is grown. In the production, India ranks second after Brazil. It means in the production of sugarcane, Brazil rank first in the production of sugarcane and India rank second in the production of sugarcane. Sugar, gur, khansari, anethol, sugar, gur, khansari and ethanol are produced out of sugarcane. These all are the items. It is made up of from sugarcane. Khansari, it means that brown color sugar, unrefined sugar is known as khansari. Black fertile alluvial lava soil is favorable for the cultivation of sugarcane. Sugarcane required hot and humid climate. It required temperature between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius of temperature is required for the cultivation of sugarcane crops. It required 75 to 100 centimeter of rainfall are necessary for the sugarcane cultivation. These are the major factors and the relief required for the sugarcane cultivation. It requires which soil is more favorable for the sugarcane cultivation? Black fertile and alluvial lava soil is most favorable. It means black soil and alluvial soil is more suitable for the cultivation of sugarcane. Uttar Pradesh is at the top in the area sown, but Maharashtra leads in the production. It means that Uttar Pradesh rank first in the area. Area wise, it means most of the land in Uttar Pradesh it is cultivated with a sugarcane crop, but which state is giving more production? Then Maharashtra stands first in the production, and when you calculate the area, that how much area is grown on a sugarcane, maximum area is maximum land of Uttar Pradesh is cultivated with sugarcane. So Uttar Pradesh is at the top in the area. Area wise, Uttar Pradesh is in the top. But when you see a production wise, then Maharashtra came first in the production of sugarcane. South Gujarat and Saurashtra produce more sugarcane in Gujarat. In Gujarat, most of the sugarcane production is coming from South Gujarat and from Saurashtra. Once again, that when you see area wise, irrigation, then Uttar Pradesh will come first, because in most of the land of Uttar Pradesh sugarcane is grown. But when you see production level, then Maharashtra came first in the production of sugarcane. From Gujarat, sugarcane production is coming more from Saurashtra and in from South Gujarat. This is the jute crop image. Jute is also known as cash crop. It means maximum economic return is going to come from the jute crop. This is the farming image of jute crops. You can see that jute required more water to grow. It means that you can see in the picture it required more water to grow, and this is the image of jute crop farming. This is the image of jute. This is called jute. Jute is used to make gunny bags, purses. This all thing is made up of jute. You can see this is the plant of jute, and after from this plant, this type of jute fiber will come out from this jute plant. This is the farming image of jute plant. Out of this, afterward, the jute fiber will come out. Jute produce maximum of jute. India produce maximum of jute in the world. It means India is only the country who is producing maximum number of jute in the world. Jute fiber is called golden fiber. Jute fiber is also known as golden fiber because in foreign country jute is having a more demand. Indian jute is highly demanded in foreign countries. Jute clothes, gunny bags, mattress, ropes, bag, footwears, handicraft items, etc. are made from jute. In India, almost you can see that gunny bags, mattress, even rope, bags, these all things are made from jute. Not only in India but all over the world, the people are using jute bags, that gunny bags, which is more suitable than the plastic. India has a strong competition from Bangladesh with regards to cheap labor in just industry. It means which country is giving competition to India in the production of jute, then Bangladesh is giving production, then Bangladesh is giving tough competition to India in the production of jute. Even they are getting a cheap labor. It means that cheap labor, it means the labor, those who are doing more hard work in less money, by taking less amount of money, they are doing hard work. So Bangladesh is giving tough competition to us. Jute required fertile soil of delta region where a new sediment is deposited every year. It means jute required fertile soil. Fertile soil, it means the soil which is found near bank of river. Sediment, it means rock, which is deposited every year. It means when the river water will flow, every year the new sediment rock you will find over there, and this soil is more suitable for the cultivation of jute crop. Hot and humid climate is required for the cultivation of jute. It required 30 to 40 degree of Celsius temperature and rainfall range more than 100 centimeter. It means jute crop required hot and humid climate, temperature between 30 to 40 degree of Celsius, and it required more than 100 centimeter of rainfall is required for the cultivation of jute crop. Jute is grown more in Ganga Delta in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Orissa and in Uttar Pradesh. It means where jute is grown more in India, near the Ganga river, jute is grown more. Maximum jute is grown in West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Orissa and in Uttar Pradesh. Tobacco. This is the image of tobacco crop image. Tobacco is grown maximum in Gujarat. This is the picture of tobacco crop farming. You can see that it looks so beautiful. The leaf of these plants look so beautiful when they are green, and this is the image of tobacco crop farming image. This is the image of dry leaf of tobacco. You know that eating tobacco is injurious to health, but then also people is eating the tobacco. This is the dry leaf of tobacco. After this green leaf get dry, it will convert into a brown color. You can see that. This is the image of tobacco which peoples are eating. This is a tobacco. Tobacco is a kharif crop. Kharif means monsoon crop. Tobacco is a monsoon crop. It means tobacco will grow in monsoon season. Sandy loamy soil is required for the cultivation of tobacco crop. 20 degree of Celsius temperature is required for the cultivation of tobacco crops. 100 centimeter of rainfall are suitable for the tobacco cultivation. It means it required 100 centimeter of rainfall is more suitable for the tobacco cultivation, and sandy loamy soil is suitable for the tobacco cultivation. Tobacco is a monsoon crop. It means kharif crop. Soil is determining factor than the climate for the tobacco cultivation. It means soil plays a most important role for growing tobacco. Climate, then after climate. It means that climate don't matter a lot. Soil is the more important thing which matter a lot for the tobacco cultivation. It means it required good amount of sandy soil with minerals contain a biotic element. So soil came first to grow the tobacco cultivation and then climate. Major 4 countries in the world which grow and export tobacco are China, Brazil, India and USA. It means there are the 4 major countries in the whole world. They are growing tobacco in the maximum number and they are exporting tobacco at maximum level. They are China, Brazil, India and USA. These 4 countries are the major countries which are growing and exporting tobacco. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and major state producing tobacco in India. In India, almost Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Karnataka are the state they are producing maximum of tobacco, and they are the major state for producing tobacco in India. Charotar region of Kheda and Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal grow more tobacco. It means Charotar region of Kheda district and Anand district, Mehsana, Vadodara, Panchmahal, this all districts from Gujarat state grow more tobacco. About 80% of BD tobacco of India is produced in Gujarat. It means 80% of tobacco from which BD is made. So it is producing, that tobacco is coming from Gujarat. The tobacco which is used to make BD, that tobacco is coming from Gujarat. About 80% of BD, it means 80% of BD tobacco is coming from Gujarat state. Tobacco is used to make gutkha, BD, cigarette, snuff, etc. Tobacco tobacco consumption is harmful to health. That we all are knowing that the injurious tobacco is injurious to health. Even tobacco eating is an consumption. Tobacco consumption, it means eating of tobacco is harmful to health. It gives an adverse effect to human hygiene. Even which thing is made up of tobacco, it means the vason like gutka, bidi, cigarettes, snuff, etc. are things is made up of tobacco. Sikkim is the first state to ban tobacco and gutka. It means Sikkim is only the first state in India where tobacco eating and gutka eating is banned in Sikkim state of India. Now we are going to learn about rubber tree. This is the image of rubber tree. You can see this is the leaf of a rubber tree. This way rubber tree look likes. This is the trees of a rubber. This is the trunk of rubber tree, and from this you can see that the drop of rubber is coming out the back and that the drop is in the back the bucket. The bucket has been tied up with the trunk so that the drop of rubber can be, the bucket can filled with the rubber. You can see this is the image of a rubber tree. You can also see the another image of rubber tree. Like this way you know that rubber droplets is going to fill in the bucket and how the bucket has tied with the trunk of the tree. You can see this image. Rubber is prepared out of the milk oozing out of the latex tree. It means you can see that this is a drop of milk is coming out from the rubber tree. It means the latex of the tree. It means from the trunk of the tree. You can see this rubber, the drops of milk is coming out, and from that drops you know rubber is made. You can see this is a droplets of milk is coming out in the buckets, and this is coming out from the latex tree. It means the trunk of rubber tree. Acetic acid is mixed with milk collected from the rubber plantation, and then it is heated on a low temperature to obtain rubber. Now the question is coming in your mind, how rubber is going to be obtained, how people are making rubber. So acetic acid is going to mix with this milk which is oozing from the trunk of rubber tree, and with that milk acetic acid is going to mix and heated on the low flame, and from that mixture we will obtain the rubber. It is used in many industrial products like tire, tubes, etc. Rubber is used to make tires, tubes, etc. That you all are knowing. The tires of all the vehicle is made up of from rubber. So almost rubber is an industrial product. Rubber is also known as cash crop. Rubber plantation is carried out in the region of hot and humid climate and heavy rainfall. It means rubber plantation required hot and humid climate, and it required heavy rainfall. It means it required rainfall range between 100 to 200 of centimeter. It required heavy rainfall to grow rubber plant. Malaysia ranked first in the world in the rubber production. It means Malaysia is the country coming in the first rank in the production of rubber. In India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam, Tripura are the rubber producing state. It means in India, rubber is grown in East India and in South India. The states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam and Tripura are the major states producing rubber. Now we are going to learn about medicinal condiments and spices. You can see this is the image of spices and condiments. It means that we all are knowing that we can use the spices and condiments as a medical purpose also, and we can use in a cooking purpose also. You can see this is the image of medicinal condiments. It means the spices and the condiments which is used in a medicinal purpose. In the Ayurvedic medicines, this things is using as a medical stuff. This all are the medicinal condiments. You can see that this all the things like you can see black pepper help to relieve indigestion, garlic is a natural antiseptic, ginger is an anti-nausea remedy. It means this all are the spices and they are also used as a medicinal purpose also. This is the example how the spices and condiments used as a medicinal purpose. Here the uses of that uses and their purpose is also written, that which spices is used for which medicinal purpose. You can see here. This is the image of spices. You can see that black pepper, red chili powder, that you can see turmeric powder. This is known as the spices. This is the another image of spices. India is famous for the spices that you all are knowing. Britishers came to India for the spices only. Britishers came to India for this all commodities like spices is the most important commodities. For this you know that the Britishers came to India because India is only a leading country. In Asian time only the spices are grown in India. You can see this all the spices. Now we are going to learn in detail medicinal condiments and spices. Gujarat ranked first in the production of cumin seed, fennel seed, isabgol in the world. It means Gujarat stands first in the production of cumin seed, fennel seed and isabgol. That we here written it is isabgol, but we say it isabgol. Gujarat stands first in this all spices product, medicinal condiments and in this spices production. Beside, India leads in the production and exports of a dry coriander, fenugreek, mustard, suwa and ajwain. It means a dry spices. India lead first in the production and in the exports. We stand in the that maximum dry coriander, fenugreek, mustard and suwa and ajwain is grown in India, and maximum export is also done from India. India contributes about 35% of total world production of condiments. It means from the whole world, India is only country where 35% of spices and condiments are grown in India, and we are giving 35% of production to the whole world. India, black pepper, cinnamon, clove, etc. are in the high demand in the countries and in the whole world, that we all are knowing. Black pepper, cinnamon, cloves, that we say in our language a garam masala. These are in a high demand from ancient times, the whole over on the world. Ashwagandha, tulsi, Khariyatu, Mindi, Aval, white muslin, Madhunashini, Ashok, Garmal, Lindi pepper, gallo, aloe vera, etc. are included as a medicinal plant in India. Plant like mint, menthol, palmarosa, lemongrass, etc. are included as a flavored crops. It means that which we can use in, you know, that the mint, menthol and lemongrass is used to add a flavored in tea. You know that the people, those who are drinking a green tea, they add, and you know that mint and menthol and lemongrass for the flavor, and this crops is also used as a flavor also. So this all are the medicinal plants used for the this all are the medicinal plant used for the medicine purpose also, and even they are used as a spices also. So I hope you all are not having doubt in this all topic. In next lecture we will continue with another topic. Till then, bye everyone. Thank you.